Meaning of fermium.
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 Fermium. Fermium is a synthetic element with the symbol Fm and atomic number 100. It was first synthesized in 1952 by a team of American scientists. Fermium is a highly radioactive metal that is extremely difficult to produce and isolate in pure form. Its most stable isotope has a half-life of just 100 days, and it decays primarily through alpha particle emission. Due to its radioactivity and short half-life, fermium has no practical applications and is primarily used for scientific research into nuclear physics and chemistry.